Pretty brutal conditions out here. You can see the drifts here. Pretty extreme. I don't know if it's dark enough for you guys to be able to see where the snow's drifting or not. We're just here at Burton in the Garfield Park neighborhood. Actually, it might be harder to stabilize the camera with this support system. We're trying out a new gimbal support today. Woo! I guess it is helping absorb the bumps a bit. More than anything, it's helping me carry the gimbal with this bad shoulder. A couple of really good churches up here we want to walk past on our way to Garfield Park. Snow plows. This is the Greater Christ Temple Deliverance Church here. If I can remember how to gimbal. Look at this snow blowing down here. I don't even have the rain cover on today because I think this will be a short one given the conditions. Couple shots of this church. With the wind chill, I believe we're into the negative 11 or so Fahrenheit. It's cold. It's too cold to even discuss how cold it is. Let's just keep moving. So I have the Korean Grace Christian Reformed Church here. The corner of Jefferson and Burton. This is the castle-looking church. And again, we'll just keep heading on. Garfield Park is just around the corner. Ooh, it's turning. Ooh, film these drifts. We can even see them. Darken you guys. I don't know if there's enough relief to be able to see that. It's absolutely insane out here. We're at ISO 250, 12500, f22 as usual for that extra deep depth of field. Across the street up here by this intersection. It could be a little easier. You can't tell what the sidewalks are when it's like this. Number 24 Burton bus. And the other direction, number 24 Woodland bus. Ooh, and this road is glass ice. Let's walk over to this shelter for a moment. Whoa. I just sunk to my knees there. It's too bad this isn't in 3D. You guys might get a sense of how deep this snow is. I mean, it's not that deep, but there's just so much of it in a short amount of time. I'm gonna pause and set you down. I gotta close a couple vent zippers that are open that were keeping me from overheating and now are chilling me. Ooh, and the battery is having problems keeping up with the temperature. So this might cut in and out a couple times. Oh, walking with this gimbal support's a little different too. You actually put a little weight down on the camera to help it from sitting at the top of the gimbal support. Oh, this is way more manageable for a long walk though. Though I do look a little bit of a robotic Goomba. Oh, and this snow is deep and really tiring to walk in. Yeah, and battery number 2 is not faring any better. It's my worst one, and it's already low just from being in my pocket. So we're gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed that very short Garfield Park snowstorm walk. If you did, please feel free to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.